Hello and welcome to 360 Space, compliment of the season. On today's lesson, I'll be teaching us on how to download pictures, videos from Instagram, from YouTube, and from every app you want to, from every site you want to, directly to your phone, your iOS, your Android, and to any system you want to download them to. So first thing first, you go to your app store and search for black hole court. Black hole court. This is how it should look like. BHCUT. Okay, black hole court is a simple video editor. This app comes with a handy when you need to cut a long video short. It also has many features such as splitting your video to parts, rotating your video 90 degree, and the rest of them. It removes the sound of the video also. So after downloading the black hole court, you open. And this is how it should look like. So okay, we go back to the Instagram we want to download a picture or a video from. So okay, I want to download this video and I don't want to screen record it. I want it to look like the original video I downloaded. All I have to do is I just come to here, these three dots. You click on share, or you copy the link. Okay, let's click on share and see what happens. You click on share. Good. You see copy. So you click on copy. It has copied. The link has copied automatically. So you minimize and come back to the black hole, and you click on this cycled area. Black hole pasted from Instagram, and you look down, the video has automatically been saved. If you click on here, you will see the video, or you can as well go to your camera roll on your app and you see it has downloaded automatically. This is the video. So let's also try it for picture. Okay, let's try it for picture. Here, share, copy, go back to black hole, paste. Please wait. I just downloaded also. Okay, let's go back to and see if it has downloaded. This is it. Thank you for watching our video, and please endeavor to subscribe. It is a way of telling me that you are thankful, that you are grateful. Thank you very much.